Here's the recipe to make delicious green chutney. So you need 2 green chilies, 12 to 13 fresh mint leaves. Then you will need 1 cup of coriander, fresh coriander. You would also need 5 tablespoons of yogurt and salt to taste. We need to add all these ingredients, add a little bit of water, and put it in a blender. Make sure all the ingredients are blended properly so it looks like a paste. Then take a bowl, add yogurt, mixture that you had. Now mix everything together. Make sure you mix it nicely so nothing is separated or stay on the side. Once everything's mixed, you'll add salt to taste and then mix it again. So here's your delicious green chutney. You can eat it with samosas or pakoras.